this is Julie, technical support team from ENG Tech. In this video, I'm going to tell about debug list and basic debugging. I will load the image first. The image is loaded and click menu symbol and list program. This is the program list view window. All images what you have loaded can be managed in here. And you can even unload the image, right mouse button and unload image. And you cannot see the debugger list window view yet, although target connects to emulator, because I checked the option called hide debug windows in menu config and debug. The reason that I checked this option, if the memory of a target is not initialized, a disconnection will be done wrongly, because the CVD tries to show debug list view as accessing memory. From now, I'm going to call the debug list view by clicking Show Next Statement icon. This is the debug list view window. If you cannot see the source now, we need to set the path of sources. You can add the path by using the command line or by using user source path menu config and source path. This is user source path list window. Click this and just write down the real path or find it. Now you can see the source. The gray bar means the program counter and left bar is about the line number. The program counter executes the blue line number. It cannot execute the white line numbers. This is decided by compiler. CVD just expresses and shows information. And we also can use C and assembly language mode or disassembly mode. Click the right mouse button and change toggle C disassemble mode. Or you can click mode button. You can use debugging commands such as step, over, next, out, go. I will tell you about this later in more detail. And there is a function named main. I'm going to find it and move and click symbol list window. You can see the part of a source, and I'm going to move a program counter to here and set breakpoint at the start of a main function. And run target. And the program counter is a main now, so I'm going to explain about debugging commands. First, step. Step in, you can move program counter step by step. If there is a calling function, and your PC will be inside the calling function. If I click step, and now I'm in function A. And step over, if there is a calling function, the calling function will be executed. but the PC will not go inside the function. It is not entered inside this function, but the function will be executed. And next, CVD will set invisible breakpoint and next line and try to go to the next line. So it is good to use when exiting a while loop or a for loop. And step out, your piece is go out the current function. It means the PC will go to the upper function. So I'm going to click step here, and if I want to go out this function and I click the out, so now I'm in main function, not function A. And if you right click, there is a set PC and set PC here. It can be moved to where you want to reach. Until the address you set, no more execution. Just move the piece and go to cursor. It is a little bit different from set piece. It makes you to execution until the address you set. And you can also see the binary code that address is matched. Right click and memory and select dump, and it is a binary code. On the other hand, you can also switch binary code to instruction code. So just the right mouse button and memory and select list. The instruction code and binary code are matched. For more detail about debug list, please refer to reference manual. Thank you.